Well, you all know this, and I know you're on a certain side of this because if you're listening to this podcast, you're going to be on the correct side of things. The Supreme Court. I've had zero faith in the Supreme Court for a long, long time. It's just getting worse and worse. And you've all seen this memo that leaked out, how they're essentially talking about overturning Roe versus Wade. I'm not going to get into Roe versus Wade, and if you don't know what it is, I encourage you to Google it and talk about it. But it's essentially women's rights. I don't even want to talk about abortion rights. I want to talk about women's health rights, because that's what we're looking at here. It's something that's been a precedent since before my lifetime. And in fact, we had Supreme Court justices who were being interviewed to be confirmed to the Supreme Court who stated that that is law and would not be changed. And now we're seeing that that was, in fact, a lie. And we all saw this coming. We knew this was coming. It's absolute bullshit. The thing that really pisses me off about it is if you look at all the polls, talk to most people, it is an overwhelming majority of people in this country that are in favor of Roe versus Wade. They are in favor of women's health rights and their right to choose what happens with their own body. What we do have, though, in addition to that, is a minority of people sitting on this court that has ridiculous power, that is pushing a religious agenda onto a country that, for the most part, does not want. Here's the thing. You don't like abortions? You don't have to get one. And the other thing, which we often talk about on this podcast, is the hypocrisy. The same people that have spent the past 2 years running around saying, my body, my choice, you can't make me wear a mask, you can't make me get a vaccine, those are the same people that are now saying, nope, you can't choose. You don't have autonomy over your body as a woman. You see how ridiculous that is? If nothing else, we don't even have to talk about just human rights in general. If nothing else, let's just look at that hypocrisy right there.